Hello everybody, this is Coleman Alderson for GardensAll.com. Welcome to our little mini greenhouse here. It is currently about 88 degrees inside here. We got a lot of sunshine pouring through and it is toasty warm. Just wanted to do a straightforward, as unscripted, as unplanned a delivery of this message as I can. We're about 2.5 weeks into a really dire appearing situation, and I wanted to check in with everybody, especially the gardeners out there, to make sure that you guys realize all the great benefits of being outside in the garden, hands in the soil, growing food, all of that, and how important it is to our health and our well-being, and that it's something that we can do while we're sort of in a limbo situation with all this CV, whatever you call it, COVID-19. It's really great to be out in the sun, and it's really great to breathe fresh air. So our recommendation is for everybody to get out there and get to gardening, because that's going to be the healing balm. And we have the side benefit of having food on the table as well. Direct, we don't have to go to the store and walk down the empty aisles and all that. We have our own food supply, and it's as healthy and as fresh as any food supply could be. So we're sending out our best wishes to everybody, and gosh, you all take care of yourselves. Send us some notes, comments, whatever you want to do on the Facebook page for Gardens All, and let us know how things are for you out there and what benefits you are deriving from being out in the garden. Garden therapy, it really works. So I'll say so long and all the best. Take care. This is Coleman Alderson for GardensAll.com. So long.